Hey there everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to fix Rocket League stuck on press any button to screen. This will be a step-by-step guide, so follow along. So basically I made it here an image so you don't have to keep repeating the video itself or rewinding the video. So first of all, restart your game, close Rocket League and completely, and then end the process in Task Manager. To do that, just go ahead and right click on your taskbar, Task Manager right over here on process. If you do have any Rocket League related, just go ahead and right click and then task. What I'd recommend though, right click on the Epic Games as well if you have that on Epic Games, and then add tasks as well. Next step, if you're on Steam as well or Epic Games, just go ahead and close Steam entirely or Epic Games, what I showed you basically in the task manager as well. Just go ahead and end tasks for any Steam or Epic Games related. Once done, disconnect any extra controllers or devices. What I did to fix it is basically I pressed it on the keyboard because it was not detecting on my controller. That was the case. So next step is verifying game files on Steam or Epic Games. To do that, just go ahead and go to Steam right over here. Click Library, right click on your game, Properties, Install Files, Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for it to finish. It's going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that might be causing the issue to be stuck on the start menu with the press any button screen. Once done, close that out, relaunch your game, and see if the problem still persists. Now, if the problem still persists, go ahead and clear cache on Rocket League. To do that, go ahead and press on your keyboard Windows plus R, and then type in percentage local update percentage, press OK. Find the folder for Rocket League, go ahead and click on it. Rocket League right over here, click on it, data storage. As you can see, click on this and then click on this again. Basically this is the save data or scratch right over here. Click on the scratch and delete everything on this folder. Just go ahead and follow these steps right over here. Once done, go ahead and check your date and time settings. Click sync now, restart your PC. Basically everything that we've done in the option, this is all optional from 7 to 10. Go ahead and do that. The last thing is basically reinstall if none of this works. Go ahead and exit out, restart your PC, and see if the problem still persists. Now, if all these steps work for you guys, I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.